everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, KavuCreative. Today I will crafting a dynamic circular arrows in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start. Double clicks on the artboard tool. In the tool menu, check mark on Show Center Mark in Display section, then press OK. Make fill off. Select Rectangle tool from the tool menu. Hold the Alt key and left-click on the center of the artboard. Write height and width as 100 pixels. Press OK. Select Pen tool and make diagonal in rectangle. Now select the diagonal and select Rotate tool from the tool menu. Hold Alt key and left-click on center of artboard. Right angle as 45 degrees. Press Copy button. Press Ctrl+D 2 times. Again, select Pen tool from tool menu and make shape as I do. Select all and select Shape Builder tool from tool menu. Swap stroke to fill. Make shape as I do. Now select all and hold Shift key and select arrow shape. Press Delete key. Make fill off. Select Rectangle tool from the tool menu. Hold the Alt key and left-click on the center of the artboard. Write height and width as 125 pixels. Press OK. Hold Shift key and rotate arrow 45 degrees. Align arrow to right bottom side of rectangle. Now, select arrow and select Rotate tool from the tool menu. Hold Alt key and left-click on center of artboard. Right angle as 45 degrees. Press Copy button. Press Ctrl+D 6 times. Delete the rectangle. Select all and change color from color palettes. Right-click and make a group. Now it looks awesome. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you have any questions, ask me in the comments section. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks again.